What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So it's me Jimmy. So I have taken countless online courses. I have watched a lot of videos. I have read a lot of ebooks, and there are very few physical books of how to make money online, and this is one of them. A lot of people will think this book is outdated. No, this book is still relevant in 2020. It will be relevant in 2025. I mean, Antony Barlow, this is the most underrated book. This literally teach you how to make six-figure income. Again, I didn't go six-figure, but at least I made five-figure income. I'm not joking. I mean, this book is literally purely, it's not mamba jamba, it's full how you know to act. I mean, this book is so much amazing that I love it. I mean, the Cash Cow, I'm a huge fan of Cash Cow book, and this book is the king of all book, to be honest with you. You just can't go wrong. I mean, if you want to learn how to make money online, then you need to build an online cash cow. And this is the book, Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. You really have to read, because it takes countless example. It will tell you how to analyze the index, how to increase the affiliate, and what to write, how many characters, or what to write, how many articles. Remember to aim to produce 100 articles for the first year. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people will say like write less, but in the end of the day, when you are new, you need to write more, a lot more. So this book is about how to make money. I hope this help you out. I mean, again, let me know which next book should I review, because I'm a book nerd. I love reading book, and it was me, none other than Jimmy a Geek. Make sure to subscribe and buy. And I'm a huge fan of building an online cash cow, and I love this author, Antony Barlow. He's an amazing author. I mean, amazing author, amazing. Make sure to subscribe and buy.